Would you believe these breathtaking photos were snapped by a tiny hidden camera? And get this, it cost just $300. Sounds crazy, right? I'm Cam, and today we're uncovering an extraordinary gadget that promises to redefine how we think about capturing memories. When the first-gen Ray-Ban stories launched, I loved the concept, but the execution? It felt underwhelming. Fast forward, and this next gen has seriously leveled up this product with major upgrades. So unlike the predecessor, these might actually be worth your money. Let's break down what's new, what's improved, and whether these are a must-have or just another tech gimmick. These still look and feel like a classic pair of Ray-Bans. They've got that familiar premium build Ray-Ban is known for, with just the right weight and grip. No weird bulkiness, just sleek sunglasses loaded with serious tech. But before we get deep into features, let's talk about the unboxing. Because first impressions? They matter. Right out of the box, it feels premium. The packaging is sleek, clean, very Meta meets Ray-Ban. You slide it open and there it is. The case, front and center, like they're on display. And of course, the usual documentation tucked underneath. The charging case deserves a quick shout out. It looks just like a regular Ray-Ban case. But here's the twist. It's powered. It's got a soft touch finish, magnetic latch, and the subtle Meta branding. It's both functional and stylish, a rare combo in the world of tech accessories. The glasses come wrapped in protective film. There's a solid weight to them, premium, but not heavy. They feel like real eyewear, not some cheap plastic. The capture button is cleverly built, right into the frame. Just press it to snap a photo or hold it to record a video. There's an LED light that turns on when you take a picture or record, but more on that later. The fact that you don't have to pull out your phone or fumble through an app makes it intuitive, discreet, and perfect for capturing moments on the fly. But let's talk about the biggest upgrade, the camera. We've gone from 5 megapixels to 12. That's a massive jump, bringing the resolution up to 3224 by 40,032. Translation? Your photos now have real detail, ones that could hold their own against some smartphones. But what really got me, the video. We now have a 1376 by 1824 resolution with a 3:4 aspect ratio, perfect for Instagram and TikTok. While it's not 4K, I honestly don't see that as a downside, because let's be real, these are glasses, not a professional camera rig. So while you won't be shooting a cinematic masterpiece, they're more than enough for social content. And get this, video recording time has jumped from 60 seconds to 3 minutes. That's a game changer for creators who want more freedom to tell a story without rushing. Now let me tell you about one of my favorite features, open ear audio. These glasses have directional speakers right near your ears. You get clear, immersive audio, but still stay aware of your surroundings. Whether you're biking, walking, or just vibing, you're not cut off from the world. On top of that, calls sound fantastic thanks to 5 built-in microphones. Even in noisy environments, your voice stays crisp and clear, making them great for hands-free calls and even vlogging. And here's a much-needed upgrade. Storage. The first-gen model had just 4 gigabytes of storage, which honestly felt super limiting. But now, you're getting 32 gigabytes. That's 8 times more space to capture and save moments without having to constantly transfer files. So what about battery life? You're getting around 4 hours of continuous use. But here's the kicker. The portable charging case, it gives you up to 8 full recharges. That's 32 hours total. So if you're out all day, you're covered. Just keep the case on hand. And now, this is where it gets futuristic. Just say, "Hey Meta," and you can place a call, send a message, or get help from the built-in AI. One feature that really stood out to me was Be My Eyes. It connects you to a live volunteer who can help you in real time, whether you're navigating a store, reading labels, or identifying objects. I watched a video of a blind woman using these in a grocery store. The AI helped her find and identify items in real time. That's not just a cool feature, it's life-changing. And then there's Live AI, a vision-powered assistant that understands what you're seeing and hearing. It can read signs, translate languages, identify objects, all in real time. No phone needed, no typing, just look and ask. Whether you're traveling, shopping, or navigating a new city, this is the kind of tech that turns inconvenience into magic. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Privacy. Built-in cameras and mics mean you've got to be responsible. There's an LED light that turns on when you're recording, but not everyone notices it. If you're using these in public spaces, be mindful of others' privacy. Recording without consent can be a major ethical and even legal issue in some places, so stay informed and use them respectfully. Don't be that person. Alright, so what's still missing? For one, we've got a single 12-megapixel camera. It's solid, but imagine dual cameras, one on each side like the previous version. Now you're talking 3D depth, spatial video, better wide-angle shots, even some landscape or portrait mode style background blur. Next level potential. Battery life is decent, but 4 hours can vanish fast on a full-day shoot or road trip. Push that to 6 or even 8 hours. Now we're talking about a true daily wearable. And finally, this one's big. These are sunglasses made for the outdoors, but they're not waterproof. They've got an IPX6 rating, which means sweat and a splash? Sure, but rain, pools, beach trips, you're taking a risk. That's a letdown for travelers, athletes, or anyone with an active lifestyle. Give these real waterproofing, and they instantly become way more versatile. So, should you buy them? What Meta and Ray-Ban have created is a rare thing. Fashion and function, working in sync. These aren't just some novelty shades with a camera. This is a smart, stylish tool that fits into everyday life. Are they perfect? No. But for $300, they punch way above their weight. If you're a content creator, commuter, or just someone who wants to stay connected without staring at your phone, these glasses might be exactly what you've been waiting for. So, would you rock these daily? Or is this still a few steps away from your ideal wearable? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart tech reviews, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. I'm Cam. Thanks for hanging out. And as always, stay savvy.